Welcome back to Crypto Vault, your trusted source for the latest in crypto news. Today is May 12th, 2025, and we've got a packed episode. Bitcoin's resurgence past $100,000. Ethereum's major upgrade. Political drama in Washington over crypto legislation. And a potential altcoin season on the horizon. Let's dive in. Bitcoin has surged past the $100,000 mark for the first time in 3 months, reaching an intraday high of $101,370. This rally is attributed to improving market sentiment, following April's volatility due to trade tariffs. Optimism was further fueled by news of a trade agreement between the US and the UK, which eased investor concerns and encouraged risk-taking. Institutional interest has played a significant role in Bitcoin's momentum, with inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs reaching $5.3 billion in the past 3 weeks. According to Standard Chartered, states such as New Hampshire and Arizona have also introduced crypto reserves, although analysts believe Wall Street's demand is the more powerful driver. Notably, investment firm Strategy plans to invest $84 billion in Bitcoin acquisitions. Standard Chartered projects Bitcoin could reach $120,000 in the second quarter, though it acknowledges this target may be conservative. However, concerns remain about short-term volatility due to low trading volumes and lingering tariff uncertainty, suggesting caution for traders despite the bullish trend. Ethereum has successfully activated its long-awaited Pectra upgrade on May 7th, marking the blockchain's most significant overhaul since the merge in 2022. The update aims to streamline staking, enhance wallet functionality, and improve overall efficiency. The Pectra upgrade, a hard fork in blockchain parlance, was triggered at 10:05 Universal Time Coordinated and finalized around 13 minutes later. Following the upgrade, Ethereum surged nearly 13%, while major altcoins like Solana, SOL, Dogecoin, Doge, and Cardano, ADA, rallied over 6%. Analysts are optimistic about Ethereum's future, with some projecting that ETH could reach $12,000 in 2025, driven by institutional adoption and its status in the DeFi ecosystem. A political upheaval is unfolding in Washington over the Genius Act, a proposed stablecoin legislation, initially expected to pass with bipartisan support due to strong pro-crypto momentum under President Donald Trump. However, several top Democrats, led by Representative Maxine Waters and Senator Elizabeth Warren, are now opposing it over concerns of presidential conflict of interest and national security. The dissent follows news that Trump's family company, World Liberty Financial, launched a stablecoin and secured a $2 billion investment deal, raising fears about Trump financially benefiting from legislation he supports. In response, Senate Democrats introduced the End Crypto Corruption Act on May 6th, aimed at banning federal officials and their families from investing in or endorsing digital assets. The proposal follows the sudden withdrawal of Democratic support for the bipartisan Genius Act, which was previously seen as the Senate's first major effort to regulate stablecoins. Coinbase, the largest publicly traded cryptocurrency exchange, announced on May 8th its plan to acquire derivatives exchange Deribit in a $2.9 billion deal. The acquisition includes $700 million in cash and 11 million shares of Coinbase Classic common stock. This move aims to strengthen Coinbase's position in the crypto market by expanding into the profitable derivatives sector, enabling broader access to spot, futures, and options trading. The deal aligns with U.S. President Donald Trump's pro-cryptocurrency stance and his vision to establish the U.S. as a global crypto hub, which has spurred increased mergers and acquisitions in the industry. Bitcoin dominance has dipped below 64%, sparking a 13% ETH surge and rallies in SOL, Doge, and ADA, signaling the long-awaited altcoin season. Altcoin Daily's 14 picks for 2025 include blue chips like ETH, SOL, ADA, and breakout tokens such as ONDO, Foxy Sway, and INJ. The ETH/BTC ratio rebounded from its lowest level since 2020, signaling a potential structural shift in investor sentiment. With the tide turning, Analysts believe that the crypto market may be entering the early stages of a new altcoin season. According to Coin Edition, a Sun on Sunday investigation reveals the criminal gangs are increasingly using sophisticated methods to hide illicit funds, bypassing the UK's Proceeds of Crime Act 2002. Criminals are converting their profits into obscure cryptocurrencies, purchasing properties abroad, especially in Dubai, and prepaying private school fees while avoiding asset seizures. Law enforcement identified £885 million in suspected criminal gains last year, yet only £243 million was recovered, marking a 30% decrease from the prior year. Alarmingly, only around 5% of fraud proceeds and an even smaller fraction of drug funds are returned to victims. That's a wrap for today's Crypto News Roundup. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things crypto. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your predictions for Bitcoin and Ethereum this year? Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead in the crypto world.